Okay. So we're gonna just basically repair this wall right here, 2 feet up, about even with the window.
I'm gonna do that. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna skim coat
You
here.
just painted. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just painting though. You gonna skim coat or I'm gonna skim coat?
It's okay. I can do it. I mean, it doesn't. Make a
Okay, I'm
difference.
just checking so I can just have this all in the job description or the scope of the work. Okay. Okay, so we'll just paint this and paint the bathroom.
Oh, let me see what the correction is. Yeah. Well, we could be same paint. Same paint. You think I should do the whole thing white, or I mean, do the same thing? I mean, the whole thing gray, or just put the
White trim?
white trim?
Yeah, I do the whole thing gray.
Yeah,
If it was
because this
me.
way it's easier to, you know what I mean, instead of having you to do 2 different. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do with this. Same.
Or you, if you want it white, I mean, it's not that big of a difference.
We
It'd be
might
the
as
same
well.
price.
We could look at the color.
Yeah, it's kind of.
You know, the dirty and
Dingy.
everything. So it would be easier to do that, and then it's easier for you, bro.
Okay.
One color, and then you just
White.
put the tape. Yeah, I'm gonna just put, you know,
Okay.
this, and this. I'm gonna paint white.
You're gonna paint the trim?
Yeah.
And so y'all, I'm just gonna paint the walls and the ceiling, right? You're gonna
that's
paint
it.
the trim?
That's it.
Okay.
The only thing to one of the reasons why I wanted you to paint it and not me.
Yeah.
I don't have the ladder to, you know, to do this.
Okay.
You know what I'm
Paint
saying?
this gray, okay.
The same color, yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit, what's going on? Well, oh man, this guy don't tell me to mess my shit up.
And this here paint gray also?
Yeah,
The walls and the ceiling white?
One color, bro. Everything
Okay.
going the same thing. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, man. And just I'm gonna just leave this gray,
Okay.
one color, and then I'm gonna just do the trim.
Okay, that.
Trim around it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we can do that. I got
What